Welcome back to session 12 of GED Advanced Graphs and Functions. Today we graph linear inequalities, slowly and carefully. An inequality graph is a line plus a shaded region, and every single point in the shading is a solution. We will decide when the line is solid or dashed and which side to shade. Taken step by step, this becomes easy. Every inequality starts with a boundary line. To find it, replace the inequality sign with an equal sign and graph that line just like normal. For y is greater than negative x plus 1, the boundary is y equals negative x plus 1. This line splits the plane into two sides, and our answer lives entirely on one of them. Next, decide the style of the boundary. If the symbol is strictly greater than or less than, the boundary points are not included, so you draw a dashed line. If the symbol is greater than or less than or equal, the boundary points are included, so you draw a solid line. The symbol alone makes this choice. Now choose the side to shade. The safest method is a test point. Pick an easy point that is not on the line, usually the origin, 0, 0. Put it into the inequality. If it makes the inequality true, shade the side that contains it. If it makes it false, shade the other side. Let's graph y is greater than negative x plus 1. Carefully. Step 1. The boundary is y equals negative x plus 1. Plot it using the intercept 1 and the slope negative 1. Step 2. The symbol is strictly greater than, with no equal bar, so the boundary is a dashed line. We have drawn the divider. Now we just need the correct side. Now for the shading. Test the origin, 0, 0. Substitute into y greater than negative x plus 1 is 0 greater than negative 0 plus 1. That is 0 greater than 1, which is false. Since the origin makes it false, we shade the side that does not contain the origin, the region above the line. Done. You can also read an inequality from a finished graph. First, look at the boundary. Dashed means a strict inequality, and solid means it includes equal. Then, see which side is shaded, and pick a shaded point to confirm the direction. Boundary style plus shaded side together tell you the full inequality. 3 traps. First, do not use a solid line for a strict inequality. Strict means dashed. Second, do not shade the wrong side. Always confirm with a test point. Third, remember that on a dashed boundary, the points on the line are not solutions. Careful steps keep your region correct. Let's lock it in. Graph the boundary by replacing the inequality with equals. Choose dashed for strict, solid for or equal. Then use a test point to decide the shaded side. Every point in the shaded region is a solution. 3 clean steps: boundary, style, shade. Wonderful work today. You can now graph a linear inequality and shade the correct region. Your mastery check is the 10 practice questions for this session. For each one, draw the boundary, choose its style, then test a point to shade. To read the full lesson notes and practice more GED graphs and functions questions, visit the course page at www.bridgetoexam.com. I will see you in session 13, where we compare functions across tables, graphs, and equations. Keep going. You are doing great.